Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Cleaning Thursdays, the day we look at the tools that make tackling messes a whole lot easier. Today we're checking out the Shark Steam Pocket Mop, a lightweight steam cleaner designed for sealed hard floors. Let's break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with its chemical-free cleaning. It uses just water to produce steam, which sanitizes and loosens dirt without harsh cleaners. Great if you've got kids or pets. The mop heats up in about 30 seconds, and the swivel steering makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and corners. It comes with two washable, double-sided microfiber pads, which grab dust and grime effectively while keeping ongoing costs low compared to disposable pads. The mop is also lightweight, making it easy to carry and use. On the downside, it's best suited for sealed hard floors only, so no rugs, carpets, or unsealed wood. The water tank is fairly small, so for bigger areas you may need to refill mid-cleaning. And while it sanitizes well, it's not built for deep grout cleaning or heavy stuck-on messes. So is it worth it? If you want a simple, affordable way to sanitize and refresh sealed hard floors without chemicals, the Shark Steam Pocket Mop is a solid choice. But if you need deep cleaning power or multi-surface use, you may want to step up to a more advanced model. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.